This is a resort studio, so it's not a deluxe studio. So it's kind of like a hotel room for DVC members. And it's still cheaper to get 2 of these than it is to get like a villa when you have a larger family. But this is great. It's so much better than the Caribbean. We got our adjoining rooms, our welcome home McCormick family. Very spacious, very nice. This is adorable. So the Murphy bed would be in the deluxe studio, but these just have the 2 queens, and it's just so spacious, especially just from coming from the Caribbean. Look how cute. Daisy having her beaches and cream. This is just great. We could have our adjoining room right there. Same thing, just mirrored. Now let's see if I could do this. I always have a hard time because Disney locks everything twice. We just got like a nice standard resort view, so it's actually really nice and quiet here. Wow. I wonder which way I'm facing. Good sized balcony. Just quiet, like woods back here, like crazy. So quiet. But outlets everywhere. Desk, lovely. Mirrors, beautiful sheets. 5th sleeper. It's really great. Little Disney touches everywhere, which the Caribbean room I feel like was missing a lot. I do know that there's updated rooms, but we did not get one of those. This is just very spacious. Like it feels even bigger because we just stayed in the Caribbean rooms. But the closets are great. This is good. I mean, it still doesn't have the kitchenette stuff that we usually get, but this is good. There's space here. Maybe a beverage cooler here that we could put our drinks in. Tons of space under here. Your hair dryer. Great mirror. Very big tub in comparison to what we had. It's great.